So there are various solutions to this after careful analysis of the danger it poses and how our information can be used for other purposes apart from its original intention. One, you have to be careful of what information you post or you pass into your social media outlets. Ensure they're not too sensitive and they can be used against you. Two, whenever you're visiting a website, ensure you read the terms and conditions. Everybody doesn't do that. They just click on the checkbox and then they go into access what the website offers. But there's a need for you to process and to read carefully the terms and conditions the website are stating, so that your data won't be used and be sold to an external party. How many of you have actually experienced this when you come into your phone and you find out that every of your website, your maybe Facebook or your Google or anywhere you process or you come into, you find out that there are certain products that comes to you consistently, like they know what is going on in your mind. It's because they are working with your demography and your psychography. So they studied you. They have come to study you and gather enough information on your habits, on things you like, and then they would able to recommend products to you. So there's a real life case of Google where Google actually used the location tracker. Then there's a location tracker actually of phone, so you turn it on and you can turn it off. So they use location tracker to record different location of individuals per time into that database. And even though you turn off your location device, your location tool on your phone, still Google is still able to track you and store your movements. And this did not come into light until 2018 after a press investigation into Google activities, and they discovered that locations of every user is being stored even though they turn off their location. So it was after that investigation, Google began to bring in transparency on how the location device work, how the location tool work. They bring transparency, and they allow for now users to open and opt out as they wish. So these are example of data privacy being ultracated, being misused. So there's a need for awareness on this. There's a need for regulations, transparency in the part of the big tech companies, and then also users to be aware of this, so that they can ensure that the informations are not being processed without them being aware. Okay, so another use case of which AI systems poses a threat to data privacy is in the part of bias and discrimination. So we can see with a real life example of Amazon. Amazon actually created a AI system, a predictive system, where they can use to hire and interrogate people to bring to receive them into the workforce. So they do a lot of interviews with the users using AI. But they later discovered that the AI system they created, each of them were biased in that, because of the data it receives, we are more tuned in line to discrimination against the black race and also women. So with that, it began to give favoritism to people that were neither black nor women. So there was not imbalance in the inflow of workforce into the system. Examples of data privacy: there's a need for regulation and proper daily auditing of AI systems, because with this, it will actually affect and cause an economic disruption. It would actually affect imbalance in the workforce and the kind of people that can be integrated into the workforce. So there's a need for proper auditing of what data AI receives, analyze, and process. So there's a need for continuous auditing and investigation of what information it receives, because how AI operates is that it receives data, or the better word is scrap data, from various outlets. And if most of the data is receiving from are places where they are biased to a particular kind of race, a particular kind of gender, a particular kind of religion, and so like that, that AI system automatically will take that morphology of it being biased also. So there's a need for proper auditing of AI systems.